Alrighty, what's good? So today, July 14th, Friday, so end of the week. I guess you could say we're red, but really we're break even. But I mean, really we're red because of fees. So I only took one trade today. So let me show you. Pull up SPY here. So one trade early in the morning. It took a little bit to form. Not not too much happening today. After I took this first trade, I wasn't feeling it because the price action wasn't very good. So yeah, I saw this head and shoulders right here. You see, say like left shoulder right here, head, and then right shoulder right here. And then I had a sell order placed at the break. So alright, so left shoulder right here, head right here, and then right shoulder right here. And then I sell order right below this last wick, or I guess the break of the neckline. So right where this arrow is where I entered, I had the sell order. So once it broke, it entered in for me. And I mean, this one wasn't a quick move. I mean, it came up a little bit, but then it was slowly coming down. Never went above the EMA. So I had a trend line drawn, like this one right here. I had this trend line drawn. And then once it broke above and it broke above the EMA, that's when I kind of started to get a little nervous. I mean, it came down. I was at 4.5 points, but I wanted to reach my 6 point profit target. Since it was like head and shoulders, I usually reach the 6 point profit target, so I wanted to wait to see. So it broke 4.5. It broke to 4.5 points. So that's when I put my stop from 3 points. So my stop was about like up here. I put it to break even once it reached 4.5 points, but then it popped up some more, stopped me out, came up just a little bit more, consolidated for a little bit, and then popped down. And as you can see, it came down. And if I would have held this, what I really should have done is I shouldn't have put it to break even because it's kind of, I mean, it is the break of the neckline, so it's safe to say I could have placed it there, but I really should have put it at the pullback. And the pullback is like, it's like these candles right here. So realistically, I should have put it right here. So for 45, 47, 75, that level I should have put it at. So what it like, I would have been 47. So it wouldn't even be a point. It'd be 3/4 of a point if I would have got stopped out there. But if I did put it there, I wouldn't really get stopped out. It would have touched it, but it would have had to, the price would have had to gone through my stop. So if I placed it right at this level, I wouldn't have gone stopped out and would came all the way back down and reached my 6 points. So, but I broke even. I just like to keep safer trades. Even though if I would have placed it at the pullback 3/4 of a point, that's like $20. So I mean, it's nothing big. I mean, I've had a good week, so I could have done that, but it's Friday, so I didn't want to mess with my profits too much. But yeah, I think we're up 207 on this one, on this account. So I'm back on my computer, so up 207 on this one, and then on my laptop, I'm not sure the exact amount. I think it's 120 or 130. So we're up about 330 this week, or these past couple weeks. And so I use NinjaTrader, and so I'm not using like, I'm not on a evaluation account. This isn't like real money. This is paper trading. So my 2 week account, like if you guys ever use NinjaTrader, it's a you get to have a trial for 2 weeks, and my trial is 1 day left, but tomorrow's Saturday, so I'm not trading. So this is the end of the week of the this is the end of the 2 week trial. So I'm up 330 on this account. So I think this might be my first time where I'm green for 2 weeks. So I'm making good progress. Not doing too bad. I did very well this week. Had a lot of green days, and I kept my losses small. My risk to reward is pretty good, 2 to 1. I'd have to check my stats, but I'm not sure my win rate. I'm not sure exactly what my win rate is, but obviously I'm getting more wins than my losses. But even with my risk to reward, I'd have to win 33% of the time to be break even, but we're up, so my win rate is pretty good. My risk reward is good, so everything's looking good. I just making slow progress, but progress is progress. So not upset at all.